Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And my YouTube membership with more exclusive manifestation content and lives is linked below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop with audio reprogramming, with programs, workshops, ebooks to help you manifest your dream life with a specific person bundle and a manifested text meditation if you want to couple it with today's Rampage, because today's Rampage is about manifesting a text from your specific person. So let's get into it. Your specific person texts you all the time. You guys are in constant communication. They cannot stop reaching out to you. They text you, they call you, they always check up on you. You are their first thought when they wake up and last when they go to bed. All on their mind is you, because you are perfect, you are magnetic, you are chosen, you are irresistible, you are valued, you are unforgettable. There's nobody better than you. There's nobody that compares to you. There's nobody that could ever compare to you in your reality. You are the prize. You are the one they're addicted to. They cannot stop thinking about you. They are holding their phone right now, texting you right now. They are saying exactly what you want them to say. They are being exactly who you want them to be. They have fully conformed. They are the most obsessed person when it comes to you. They tell all of their family and friends about you. They cannot stop raving about you. They cannot stop calling and texting you. Every single notification you receive on your phone is from your specific person. Every ping, every ding is from your specific person. Every single vibrate is from your specific person. You're about to silence your phone because they cannot stop reaching out to you. They cannot stop. Every ounce of free time they have is spent talking to you. When they're at work, they're talking to you. When they're at home, they're talking to you. When they're with their friends, when they're out, they are talking to you. There is not a single second of the day that goes by when they are not thinking about you, when they are not texting you, when they're not reaching out to you, when they're not calling you. They text and call you all the time. They have broken no contact. There's never an ounce of silence with your specific person. They are always talking to you. They're always saying exactly what you want them to say. They are perfect. You have the perfect specific person. They are always just letting you know they're thinking about you. Everything reminds them of you, and they have to let you know each and every single time. Every day they get the urge to reach out to you. Every day they get the urge to text you, and they do. They always reach out. They are so consistent in their messaging. They cannot go 1 second without texting back. As soon as you text, they text back instantly. They are sitting at their phone waiting for your responses because they have texted you so much. They text you so much. They update you about their day. They're sharing their deepest and most intimate parts of themselves with you. You light them on fire. You are the light in their life. You are the love of their life. They cannot stop reaching out to you. They are addicted to talking to you. They need to hear from you. They need to see your text. They need to see your calls. They need to hear your voice. They cannot go without hearing your voice. You validate them. You give them life. They are not fulfilled until they hear from you. They are not fulfilled until they reach out to you. They are sitting there with phone in hand, typing up the perfect text right now as you are listening to this. They are so prepared to talk to you. They are itching to talk to you, and they're doing it now. They take actionable steps towards you. They are doing everything in their power to talk to you. They just text you just to hear from you. Sometimes they don't even text with anything to say. They are just addicted to talking to you. You make them so nervous, but you make them so happy that they want to reach out to you. They want to be around you. They have notes full of notes in their phone of all the things they want to say to you, and they're sending those notes right now. This whole time they've been texting you. This whole time they've always texted you. They've always been consistent. They've always been there. They've always been sure about you. They are committed to you. They're committed to talking to you each and every single second of the day. They are committed to texting you each and every single second of the day. You make them so happy. You are in the reality where your specific person contacts you each and every single second of the day. You are in the reality where your specific person can't help but reach out to you. You are the one that they want. You are the one that they see. You are the only one that they think about. You are on their mind all the time. Every time they pick up their phone, it's to text you. Every time they're on their phone, they are reaching out to you. They're texting you back. They're following up with you. They're communicating with you. They're the best communicator that you have ever met. You have a person in your life that is so good at texting, that is so good at communicating. They only have a phone to text you. If they're not texting you, they're not on that phone. So every time they're on the phone, trust they are texting you. You're the one that they want to talk to all the time. They will give up everything that they have to talk to you every single second of the day because you are that worth it and you are the prize. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to manifest a text meditation or just more rampages, subliminals, meditations, and sleep tapes on manifesting your specific person, then I do have a Manifest Your Specific Person audio bundle in the manifestation workshop linked in my description. But don't forget, you are it. You are the prize. They are texting you, calling you, blowing up your phone, breaking no contact all right now. And remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.